everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how I refresh my knotless braids. I've had them in for about 2 weeks, but due to like the type of hair that I have, they're already starting to look loose a little bit crazy and fuzzy and stuff. So stay tuned if you want to see how I keep them looking fresh and tight and snatched and all that stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So my hair is clean here. Really my edges have a lot of buildup because I gel down my baby hair normally. So I just had all of that like cleaned out. That was really nothing major to show, so I didn't show it. And now I'm sectioning my hair into like smaller sections so that I can burn them using a lighter. To do this, if you're not comfortable doing this on your own or you are younger, have someone else do this for you, someone that has more experience or someone that can just look out for you, because this is dangerous. Playing with fire, of course, is not safe, but I've been doing this for years, which is why I'm doing it by myself. I only want to burn the edges because I don't want to burn my real hair, and I can see, since it's already frizzy, where my real hair stops. So I'm just burning the edges, and since it's plastic, the excess frizz just falls literally right off. And once that part is burnt off, it has the braids looking nice and fresh and neat again, instead of having just a bunch of flyaways. Now that I've burnt the ends, I'm just running my hands through it. Since it is plastic, it melts, and sometimes that causes the braids to stick together, which I do not want, or they'll look stiff. So I'm just running my hands through it so I can unstick anything that's stuck together. Now I'm adding oil to my scalp. You can use oil or grease, it really doesn't matter, but you need to take care of your hair under your braids, and under any protective style you still need to take care of your hair because your real hair is important. So I just focus it on like the middle of my hair, my crown, because that part of my hair is dry literally all the time, and my edges, because I do manipulate my edges when I change the hairstyle, or because I do put a lot of gel in my hair and that can cause damage. And I just kind of rub it into my hair like a slight scalp massage, and I did that a little bit longer than I really showed for, because I do for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, because that's good to wake up your scalp or whatever, or something like that. And it helps for growth. Now I'm taking this argan oil. It smells so good, and again, it doesn't really matter what you use, but I'm just using a little bit, and I'm using something light because I'm putting that on my braids where my real hair is, and that's just so that that part of my hair can get some moisture too, because like I said, you have to take care of your real hair. Protective styles won't protect anything if you're not protecting your real hair for real. I'm taking this mousse by Aussie. It is a leave-in. It smells so good. It's avocado, but I don't even know if it smells like avocado, but it smells literally so good. And I just put it in my hand and I rub it on my hair so that the flyaways that are in my real hair will be stick down by the mousse. You can use any mousse, I'm pretty sure. I just use this one because I'm familiar with the Aussie brand, so I chose it and I stuck with it. So I'm just adding the mousse all through my hair, all through like the front and the back, so that for this next step that comes after this, the hair will be laid down and neat, which is my goal. Now that I have all the products in, I'm just taking my scarf and I'm going to tie my hair down so I can get the full effect of the mousse. You know, lay that all down, let the oil and everything seep into my hair for the night, and I keep this on literally all night to sleep. Now I'm taking my extra large strawberry shortcake looking bonnet and I'm putting my braids in it, and that's it. And now it is time for bed. Got my scarf on all night. I'm taking it off. As you can see, my baby hairs are like laid. My hair is laid. Everything is flat. There's way less frizz now. And now I'm just gonna do my baby hairs like I always do. Maybe I'll do an in-depth video on my baby hairs. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see that, since I have done my baby hairs on this channel a couple of times. But I'm just taking my gel, squeezing it on my little brush, and then I go in with my edge control, my Murray's, and then I finish that all off with my Got To Be spray. And y'all will see me wiping the excess off with my finger because it gets on my face and it dries and it flakes and it looks crusty. And yeah, that is why I wash my edges every week when I have, well, every couple of days really, when I have braids in, because it causes so much buildup. And that's also why I mentioned I put oil and all that stuff in my baby hairs so I can keep them protected, because you know that causes a lot of damage when you got products in it. Now my braids are looking all brand new again. Now I'm gonna do this as needed, maybe every week, every other week. It's important to wear your scarf every single day. But if you guys want to see more knotless braid styles or more hair videos, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next video.